Here I've got hammer blade, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So you've got two methods. At first you can slide down the upper bar, find and pick battery icon, which is here, just tap on it. And now tap here to enable battery saving mode. That's it. From now on, low power solution is active. You can also switch it off and then use your device as usual. You can also activate it through the settings, so let me open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to locate and select battery, which is here. And now the second tab is battery saver. Simply click on it. And now you can switch it on and off over here on this switcher. So from now on it's on. Then you can also switch it off by tapping on the same icon one more time. You can also set up some rules, so you can have it turn on automatically. Let me click over here, so you can pick 5 or 15% of your battery. Let me pick, for example, the second option, 15% of battery. So every time your battery is lower than 15%, then power saver will be automatically activated. So that is all. This is how you can use power saving mode. Now you can use your device way longer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.